withdraw money from bybit to bkash. So how to withdraw money from bybit to bkash? In this case, first of all, open the bybit app and make sure to log into your account. Now, money in this case, it will be one of these cryptos like USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or USDC. Now, first of all, what you need to do is by selecting the PayPay or P2P trading. And as you can see here, select the sell option because you want to withdraw to bkash. Now after that, to withdraw money from bybit to bkash, we need to select the bkash from all payment methods. So after tap on it. And now from here, search for the bkash. So after you find the bkash, just tap on it. So I will just search for it. And after I found it, I will go back to you guys. Now in the search, type BK, and as you can see, this is our bank bkash. Now tap on it. So after you select your bank, now tap on confirm. And as you can see, after you select the bkash bank account, select the provider. For that, it will be this. Now tap on sell. And as you can see here, enter the amount that you want to withdraw. And after that, you can add the payment method by tapping on add payment method. And now you can provide your bank or the bkash information, the bank account number, the bank branch, and the bank name. And after that, tap on confirm, and you will withdraw the money from bybit to bkash. So this is how to withdraw money from bybit to bkash. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.